Hey guys, so we'll try to understand some smaller concept within Excel that are styles and themes. Now there are quick options that are available within Excel by which you can make your data look better, or you can style your data or apply themes to your data. How you can do that is you need to select the data that you want to have it change. Let me first show you how you can apply cell styles. So there are various styles that are available for cells. Yeah. These are name styles. So it makes very easy to apply a set predefined format and option to a cell or range. It saves time as well as make sure that uh, look of the cells are consistent. A style can consist of settings of for up to 6 different attributes. Yeah. So it can have number format, it can have font, type, size, color, it can have alignment, vertical or horizontal, borders, pattern, or protection, locked or and hidden. Now let's see how styles are helpful. Suppose that you apply a particular style to some 20 cells scattered throughout your sheet. Later, you realize that this cells should have font size of 12 rather than 14. Rather than changing each cell, simply edit the style. All cells with that particular style will change automatically. Now, suppose, let me take you through the styles. Okay. Suppose I have this particular data which is selected. I want it to be in a particular style. Yeah. So I go to cell style, which is available on your home tab. So I go to the home tab on your ribbon. Within the home tab, you have this styles option, or styles group. Within this, you have this styles cell style. Now, when I click on cell style, it already has a lot of options that you can select: bad, good, neutral. Whether you have a data model which has a calculation, explanatory, followed by heading, heading 2, you have a 20% accent or accent 1. So any style that you have which you want to select, I'll select it. So suppose I want to have this green accent. Okay, now I've selected this. Okay, now suppose I want to change it for all the cells which has this particular style. So I go to styles. Yeah, I'll say new cell style. Yeah, I'll remove this. Just give me 1 minute. I want to create a style. I'll say new cell style. Okay. I have this format option. So I go to format. What do I want to do with it? I want to have it as general. Okay. I want the font to be uh, Belmont or Berlin Sans serif. I want to make it bold. I want the font size to be 14. Yeah. I want the color to be black inside. Okay. I guess that is okay. If I want to set any kind of protection, I can do that. I can have a border around it. Suppose I want to have this dotted border around this. Yeah. Okay. And what else? I'll say, okay, this is enough for me. I have done a lot of things in this and I'll say, okay. So I have applied this style over here. Now what I wanted to do is I want to change this particular style to all the place where I have selected. Suppose I have selected it here as well. Now I want to change all the styles which I have available, which I have applied this kind of style. So I go to this again, I go to new style and if I want to change it, I'll say new cell style. I'll say format. Yeah, I'll make it have this kind of border, and I'll say okay. I'll say okay. So I have changed the style. So I have already selected the previous style. I'll remove that first. This was my style one, which I have custom selection. So I have applied this style here. Okay, since I have created it, right? These are my custom style. If I want to change it to this style, I'll change it to this style. If I want to make it this style, I can apply it here. So I have created custom style which can be used for multiple purpose, and these are applied directly based on the selection that I do. Okay, so I can have my custom build style which can be used, for formatting. Okay, so there are various styles which are available which you can use for your pursuit. Yeah, merge style is one of the things which can be done from other workbooks. So if I have another workbook to copy its cell style into this workbook. So if I have another workbook, I want to merge the style along with it, I can do that. Okay, let me not get into that, but this is what I wanted to show you. So these are customized styles which you can use for your pursuit to make the necessary sale changes. So once you have created your own style, you can just go and apply it. So I can go to this particular cell, go to my cell style and just apply that style. Pretty simple. I do not need to do that formatting, yeah, format painter and all the thing. I can just go here and apply the style. That's what I can do. And I can merge this style with some other workbook as well. That's very important. Format painter, you cannot do that. You cannot store a style. You have to copy it from somewhere else. So there are 3 clicks involved, copying and pasting. Yeah. But here you have to just go to that particular cell, go to my cell style and just apply the style that I have applied for other cell. You can do that. Yeah. So this is a handy way of styling your data, or keep your predefined style been stored somewhere so that you can apply it at any workbook or any of the data that is available at your end. Yeah. And the custom style get automatically added. You need to understand that. Yeah. So hope you understood how you can style your cells and store those custom formatting so that you can use it later on for some other data. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want to me to cover any of the topics which are relevant to you or you want me to cover in this 365 days of journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how we are going to get all these videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.